This is my chapter 6 walkthrough. So exercise number 1 asks us to write a select statement that returns these columns, the count of number of orders in the orders table and the sum of the tax amount columns in the orders table. So I used figure 1 for this statement, and I also used the video. I used a select count all as number of orders. I used this sum tax amount, named it just tax amount, and I used the orders table, and we'll run that just one more time so that you see that the number of orders is 9 and the tax amount is 122. If we go to our orders, you can see that there are 9 orders, and the sum equals up. Exercise number 2, write a select statement that returns one row for each customer that has orders with these columns. I used figure 1 and also figure 5 for this. Again, the video really helped. So it asks to the email address from the customers table. So select email address from customers, and then it asks for a count of the number of orders, count from orders, order ID from orders, and I named it order count. Then it asks for the total amount for each customer's order, and I used a sum item price minus the discount price times quantity as order total. Then I joined the 3 tables, the customers table, orders table, and the order items table, where the customer ID and orders table and customer table were the same, and the order ID and order items and order table were the same. Then I grouped it by email address, and then as return only those rows where the customer has more than one order. I used having count order ID greater than 1. Sort the results set in descending sequence by the sum of the customer orders table, order by order total descending. As you can see, the email addresses, order count, and the order total. Exercise 3 asks us to write a select statement that answers this question. Asks for the email address from the customers table, and as you can see, select email address from customers table. Then it says the count of distinct products from the customer's order. I used figure 1 and figure 2, actually figure 2 to find the distinct clause, and the video again also helped a lot. So the count and distinct product ID, I named it number of products. Then I joined the tables like I did in exercise 2, grouped it by email address, and then which customers have ordered more than one product, having count, customer ID more than 1. And as you can see, if you go into I believe it's orders, and we'll do, actually let's do customers. Alan Sherwood, his customer ID is 1. When you go to orders, his customer ID comes up twice for order ID 1 and order ID 3. Then we go to order items. Order ID 1 comes up once here, and then order ID 3 comes up 2 times here. So order ID 3 here, order ID 3 here, and that is 3 products. As you can see, Alan Sherwood has 3 products. And I'll go ahead and run that one more time so you see that it's correct and it shows 3.